Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a cute dodgy braid on top of your head and incorporate it into a high ponytail. It works on both long and medium length hair. To give this hairstyle a more glamorous touch, I'm going to add some of my Glam Time clip-in extensions to my high ponytail. So I create a tiny ponytail at the back of my head, attach several wefts of clip-in extensions around it, and then hide them with my own hair. I basically bring all the loose hair to the back and tie it with a hair tie. For today's hairstyle, I have sectioned my own hair on top of my head, and I'm going to use it to create my small braid. In fact, it's going to be a Dutch braid, which is an inside-out French braid. So I'm going to grab 3 tiny strands of hair. I bring the left one under the middle one, I bring the right one under the middle one, and when I bring the left one under the middle one for the second time, I add extra hair from the left to the middle strand. I bring the right strand under the middle one, and I add extra hair from the right to the middle strand. I cross, and I add. I cross, and I add. I keep on crossing my outer strands under the middle one, and I add extra hair as I go. Once there is no more hair left to add, I braid normally. I create a tiny braid, and I secure it together with the base of my ponytail to merge them together. Now I'm going to tug on the sides of the braid to make it appear more flat and voluminous, and use a tiny strand of hair from the ponytail to cover the elastic band. And that's the finished look. If you're going to try out this hairstyle, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your results. Thanks for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye!